In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete photos from Google Photos using your iPhone. We're going to start inside the Google Photos app because the first thing you want to do is pause backups. This helps you remove images from your Google Photos library without the app immediately trying to sync things back or creating confusion between what's stored locally on your iPhone and what's stored in the cloud. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. In the top right, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. From there, go into Google Photos settings, then choose Backup. You'll see a switch labeled Backup. Tap that switch to turn it off. Don't worry, this doesn't delete anything by itself, it simply pauses syncing so you can manage your cloud library cleanly. Next, we'll move to the browser to make the deletions. Open Safari on your iPhone and go to photos.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you use the same Google account that's connected to the app you just adjusted. Using the correct account is important so you're editing the right photo library. Once you're in photos.google.com, find a photo you want to delete. Tap and hold on that photo to enter selection mode. You'll see a check mark appear, and now you can tap other photos to select as many as you need. Take a moment to review your selection so you only remove what you really intend to delete. When you're ready, tap the delete icon, which looks like a trash bin. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Tap Move to Trash to confirm. This action removes the selected photos from your Google Photos library and places them in the trash. Keep in mind, items moved to the trash typically remain there for a limited time before being permanently deleted, giving you a window to restore them if you change your mind. Until they're permanently removed, you can review or recover them from the trash in Google Photos. A quick note on what this affects. Deleting from photos.google.com removes the items from your Google Photos cloud library for that account. It doesn't automatically erase photos from your iPhone's built-in Photos app unless they were only stored in Google Photos. This is exactly why pausing backup first is helpful. It keeps your local device from immediately syncing changes while you clean up the cloud. And that's it. You've paused backups, signed in at photos.google.com, selected your photos, and moved them to the trash with a clear, controlled process.